Hey folks, Goldie Finance here, and today it's going to be hot. Brazil, more than football and samba. We're talking about the biggest market in Latin America, a sleeping giant full of hidden gems that can rock your portfolio in the long run. Today, I present to you 5 Brazilian small caps that could crash the market in the next 10 to 20 years in a positive way. These companies have the potential for exponential growth and benefit from megatrends in Brazil. But beware, small caps are highly risky and volatile. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Let's go. Folks, let's start with a bang. Simpar, ticker symbol, SIM-H3. Simpar is a massive logistics conglomerate in Brazil, encompassing companies like JSL and Movida. E-commerce in Brazil is booming, and Simpar ensures that packages arrive on time. Brazil has a huge backlog in infrastructure, and Simpar is perfectly positioned to benefit from it. Of course, there are risks, but Simpar has proven in the past that it can navigate even tough times. If you believe in the long-term development of Brazil, then take a very close look at Simpar. Now comes Melius, ticker symbol CASH3. Imagine you shop online and get money back for it. That is exactly the business model of Melius. The digital payment boom in Brazil is unstoppable, and Melius directly benefits from it. They are aggressively expanding into financial services and building a comprehensive financial platform. Brazil has over 200 million inhabitants, a young tech-savvy population, and a growing middle class. Melius already has millions of users, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Of course, the competition in the fintech sector is intense, but Melius has a strong brand name and a loyal user base. For me, Melius is a stock with the potential to multiply. Let's continue with Enjoei, ticker symbol NJU3. This is the leading platform for secondhand fashion in Brazil. Enjoei caters to the desire for sustainability and affordable prices. Brazil is a country where many people need to watch their spending, and buying used items is a fantastic way to get high-quality products at affordable prices. Enjoei has built a strong community, especially among young Brazilians. The trend towards secondhand is not a short-term hype, but a fundamental shift. Of course, there are howlen charges, but Enjoei has the size, technology, and brand recognition to succeed. If you believe in the future of the circular economy, then Enjoei is definitely worth a closer look. Now we come to Tegma Gestão Logística, ticker symbol TGM3. Tegma transports new cars in Brazil. Brazil is the largest car producer in Latin America, and Tegma is one of the leading specialists in this field. The really exciting thing is the transformation in the automotive industry. Electric cars. Electric cars also need to be transported, and Tegma is in an excellent position to benefit from this shift. Of course, the automotive industry is cyclical, but Tegma has a solid balance sheet and an experienced management team. Additionally, they often pay attractive dividends. Tegma is a rock-solid company in an important sector with an interesting future outlook. Finally, I have Brasil Agro, ticker symbol Agro3. They own, develop, and sell farmland in Brazil. Brazil is often referred to as the farm of the world, and the value of farmland tends to increase in the long term. Brasil Agro buys undervalued land, improves it, and sells it later for a profit. Now the trend towards organic products and sustainable agriculture has also reached Brazil. Brasil Agro has the potential to benefit from these developments. Agricultural investments are not without risk, but Brasil Agro is an established company with an experienced management team. For me, Brasil Agro is a foundational investment for anyone who believes in the long-term strength of the Brazilian agricultural sector. Those were my 5 Brazilian small-cap favorites, from logistics giants to cashback kings and second-hand revolutionaries to silent auto-profiteers and the masters of vast farmlands. Brazil has a lot to offer. Do your own homework. This is not investment advice, but inspiration. Brazilian small caps are like a hot samba, wild, unpredictable, and associated with higher risk. But if you find the right rhythm, these stocks can be the performance drivers. Which of these stocks did you find the most exciting? Write it in the comments. Until next time, stay invested and curious. Ciao, galera.